G3 Boats is a Yamaha-owned boat company and manufactures over 100 models of aluminum fishing boats and pontoons at their location in Lebanon, Missouri. At G3, building the best quality, best value fishing and pontoon boats in the marine industry is no accident. As a Yamaha boat company, we strive for excellence in all our research, manufacturing, and testing processes. The aluminum that we start with comes in coils, sheets, and extrusions. We use only marine-grade aluminum. The process begins at the G3 plasma cutters in our fabrication department. These computer-controlled cutters are designed to cut every specific pattern exactly the same, time after time. CAD drawings that are done in-house in our engineering department are what guide the plasma cutter. The hull operators are carefully chosen and trained boat builders that make sure every hull is exactly right. The team members who build the ribs make sure to bend and shape the ribs into the proper shape and size, and then the ribs are put into a large oven which hardens them to the proper temperature. All through the G3 fabrication department, you will see men and women who take pride in what they do. Shears, brake press operators, welders, rib benders, CNC router operators, and others know their job is important. Quality control is built into every process at G3, and everyone is considered a quality control employee. Testing goes on during many of the processes to make sure everything meets the G3 quality standards. Suncatcher pontoons are built starting with a solid foundation. This is done by through bolting one-piece extruded crossmember directly to the top of the U-shaped flotation log. Each log is pressure tested for leaks. Suncatcher not only through bolts all crossmembers directly to high-volume U-shaped logs, but also attaches all crossmembers 16 inches on center for the full length of the boat. Suncatcher's U-shaped logs sit higher in the water with less drag on the side of the pontoon. The next step is adding the closed cell foam flotation blocks inside the log. Suncatcher construction goes above and beyond the industry standard in this regard. On the front of the log is the nose cone. The nose cones lead the way into the water. At G3, we make the nose cones out of heavier gauge material than logs. This gives our logs added durability. All our pontoon decking is top quality 7-ply marine grade treated plywood with a limited lifetime guarantee direct from the manufacturer. Most of our pontoons comes with a full-length under-deck performance shields that increase fuel efficiency, speed, and durability. High-performance full-length lifting strakes are also standard equipment on all tri-log models. Of course, all the powertrain equipment is Yamaha. The key switch, controls, and cables are all genuine Yamaha parts and are tested with each model to ensure the highest quality and performance. Our fish boats are constructed with the same commitment to quality as our pontoon. Our boats have features like welded construction that uses the highest grade 100 gauge marine aluminum. Unihull designs for a stronger, more stable craft from bow to stern. Whether the boat is designed for welded or riveted boats, the utmost care is put into every boat, remembering that every customer matters. We maintain state-of-the-art welding machines that give our welders time to weld every hull precisely. All boats are tested in a water-filled test tank. G3 has a state-of-the-art paint department that uses a conveyor system and has an electrostatically charged paint system that assures the paint looks great and reduces the amount of overspray for both the painter and the environment. Individual booths include drying, primer, painting, and baking. By the end of this process, it's no wonder our paint looks great. Once the boat goes into the finish line, it receives the decals, wiring, plumbing, floors, furniture, and console. At the end of the finish line, all components are checked one last time. Every light, switch, gauge, and live well is checked before it leaves the factory to make sure everything is working properly. You can take pride working at G3, knowing that you are not just building a boat, but a high-quality, high-performance model that will bring joy to a customer for years and years.